Alright dear students, back to today's mathematics class. As you all know, we have been doing measurement since the last class. We began this on 16th of this month. I hope you have completed the exercises on pages 127, 128 and even 129, which was activity based. I had told you to ask mummy, only with mummy or daddy's help, cut these pins as it is showing up, and all you had to do was, after cutting the pins in this particular size, place it here and write the exact size of using the pins for the thing. So if you place two pins here, the size will be 2 clips, eraser about 2 clips. If you place a sharpener, it will be 1 clip. If you place it here for the spoon, this will go to at least 4 or 5 clips. Okay. So like this you had to do. Now we move on to the next topic, which is of how tall things are. Quickly write the date, which is 18.12.2020. Okay. And let us read to find out what do we mean by how tall. If you would look at some of the buildings in and around your houses, you will see some buildings are taller than the other, right? Similarly, in the class, some children, some girls or boys are taller than the other girls and other boys. That is known as a comparison of tall and short. Correct? So, we are going to look at some things on this page that are tall and the others that are short in compared to the other things. These are some of the things that are in my school bag. Find their height by counting the erasers. So, I will tell you what is happening here. Now you're small children, right? You wouldn't know big numbers for counting how tall you are. You know, when we go to the nurse's place, she places the long tape and she then measures our height. But then we are still growing up. So for us, they have given easy ways to measure things. Here, as they took the example of clips, some place they took the example of pencil to measure. Similarly, here, they have given us erasers which are stacked together to measure things. Alright? Now, let us quickly count and see how and what we are going to measure and how we are going to go about. Now, this is a baby cup. The cup is as tall as 6 erasers. 1, 2, always cut and count or put a tick. 3, 4, 5, 6. Get into the practice of doing this as I am teaching you. If you follow my instructions, you will all fare well in your even Olympiad examinations, which means you will do better than other students or equivalent also compared to the other children from the other schools, right? When we are competing. So now we don't only have to compete with our friends, which is a good healthy competition. We also compete with students of other school. If you follow these techniques, always you will be scoring full in your maths paper. The pencil is as tall as dash erasers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many erasers? 11. At least 2 to sums you are going to write it in your copy. I will do one more and this one I'll keep it for you. Now this is a milk carton or it's a juice carton. I beg your pardon. It's a juice carton. And let's count the erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The juice carton is as tall as 9 erasers. Here indirectly we are also comparing and counting. Alright. Another way to measure length. How long is each spoon? There is a box given which is called a grid box And here in the box example, this spoon is 2 squares long. Here the spoon is 1, 2, 3, 4 square long. Write 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 3 square longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square longs. Okay. Another way of measuring things and doing it nicely. Okay. So please make sure that you are following these rules as I am telling you. Measure the lengths of these crayons and count the squares starting from the bottom. The red crayon is dash square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the red crayon is 4 square. I'm only going to do 2. You will do the 3. The green crayon is dash squares long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many squares long? 7 squares long. Please do the remainder of 3. We come to the next page. Same drill. Write today's date. 18.12.2020. Very important. How heavy? Now when sometimes mummy picks you up now and you're all grown up in her lap and she says, Bapre, you're gone so heavy. Is the weight you carry in your body or on things and on substance? Right. I play in the park every evening. Here I am with my friends on the seesaw. The heavier side goes down and the lighter side goes up. This we have witnessed when we see one friend or two friends sitting one side and then the other side goes down. Here both the places two children are there. So both sides have same weight. So it is equal. Here one girl is there. 2 boys are there. This is light, heavy, more weight. 3 boys, 2 girls, heavy, light, more weight. Okay. Write H for heavier and L for light. One has been done for you. Always the heavy side will go down because of the gravitational pull of the earth. Anything that is heavy will try to, move down. The watermelon is heavier than mango, L. TV is heavy and the books are light, mention it. Here the dog is heavy and the rat is light, and you will do this one. And rightly so, do it properly. Use your common sense. It's a wonderful chapter. We get to learn so many things, how we can calculate, what is the best way of measuring. I hope the thing I had told you to complete, hand span and arm span, you did it. You did calculation of your table at home or your sofa and you have written it. I did receive some of your worksheets and they are wonderfully done. Great job, children as well as parents. Look at the things given. We come to today's worksheet, measurement, worksheet 7. Section is E and your full name in cursive writing. L, topic is how tall. L, look at the things given and find their height by counting the blocks. So here the blocks are given. Water bottle's height. What is the water bottle's height? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Just write. The water bottle is as tall as 5 blocks. The boy, how tall is he? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The boy is as tall as 9 blocks. You can even play this as a game with your friends. Okay. Count the squares for each spoon and write in the box. First spoon is how many squares? 1, 2, 3. Write in the box 3 squares. Second spoon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares. Third spoon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares. And the other two you will do as now you're becoming independent and you need to be taught to do things on your own. H for heavy, L for light. Here the fruits are heavier, the junk food are lighter. Here Again, the fruits in the basket are heavier, H for heavy, and cake, as you can see, is light. Draw according to the given instructions. 3 gifts box weigh as half a dozen of bananas. So, if you're going to make 3 gift box like this, equal, and you can make it with colors, okay? These are your gift boxes. Christmas is coming. Start packing your gift boxes for mommy and daddy. You can even make a card for them. And then half a dozen bananas are 6 bananas, isn't it? So you will make 6 bananas here as Neham Nam is making. Continue making. These are only 3, 4, 5, and one more you will make is 6 bananas here. Okay. Draw an outline of your palm on a sheet of paper. Then take your eraser to measure each finger and write. This you have to do compulsory activity at home. You will draw your palm and measure each finger. This is your thumb. Okay. This is your index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and your little finger. Measure it with an eraser. Complete the activity. Send the worksheet to Neha ma'am. See you back in the next class. Till then, stay safe. And yes, we are going to begin with the online classes now, but only with revision part, because we are going to start with the complete assessment from the month of January. So once we have come back in the online class, we will go ahead and do that. Do not worry for the classes we have not had this week. I will go ahead and cover it later. Okay. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.